Hello. Good evening, Riza, Ahad. Let's begin. Okay. Yesterday we had done few examples. I said we'll continue today. And of course, I had sent you the exercise. I had asked you all to practice those sums. If you have any doubts in any of those, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll continue with some of the examples that are there. This is the diagram for the next example. Please copy that. We have to show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, or angle D is equal to angle B, whichever way you want. That is what we have to show. We'll see that. Of course, it is based on whatever we have done so far. That means it is based on similarity. So in short, we have to show that triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. Now you'll say, sir, BOC ke COB? COB. Why COB? Because it says A is equal to C, B is equal to D. So AOB, COD. So we have to show that the two triangles AOB and COD are similar. How to show that? That is what we will see. Just draw the diagram, copy it, and we'll proceed further. Once you have done, then we'll proceed further. This is actually very, very easy. With whatever information is given to us, we can finish it faster, not to worry much. Copy the diagram, then we will. Done? Okay. So, how to show that these are same or these are similar? We'll take whatever is given to us. We'll take whatever is given to us and proceed. So what is given to us? It is given to us OA into OB equals to OC into, this dot means into, multiplication. This is given to me. Okay. Now I can say OA upon, bring this OC this side. OD remains where it was. Bring this OB this side. OA upon OC equals to OD upon OB. OA upon OC equals to OB upon. So these sides are in this side. OA upon OC equals to OD upon. Also, angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Reason, vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So now you have this angle is equal to this angle, and the sides containing them are in proportion. Therefore, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD by SAS test of similarity. SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. So the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity criteria or SAS test. Okay. So the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal. So angle A is equal to, therefore, angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. The reason for this, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. That is all that you have to show. Please copy till here. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Please copy till here. If you have done, please let me know. Finished copying, then let me know. Write down the next one. A girl of height 90 centimeters. A girl of height 90 centimeters. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the lamppost. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost. Is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from a lamppost. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Okay. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. A girl of height, I'll repeat, please, for those of you who missed out, I'll repeat it again. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost. Please write down, Kian. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. At a speed of 1.2 meters per second. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Now, let's assume AB is the lamppost. Okay, so the girl starts walking from here and she comes over here after 4 seconds. तो यहाँ से वो चलते 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 आई 4 सेकंड में यहाँ पहुंच, तो ये इसका शैडो आएगा यहाँ पर. What we have to actually find out is DE. this distance has been traveled in 4 seconds, but we are not interested in 4 seconds. In every second she is traveling 1.2 meters. So you'll multiply that by 4, that will give you this distance, which is 4.8 meters actually. Okay, and this is 3.6 meters. This is 4.8 meters. That is what we will get. We are going to solve it. So let's write down. Let AB denote, let AB denote, let AB denote, let AB denote the lamppost and CD the girl. Let AB denote the lamppost and CD the girl after walking for 4 seconds, and CD the girl after walking for 4 seconds, and CD denote the girl after walking for 4 seconds. Therefore, DE is the shadow of the girl. 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 Let DE equals to X meters. Let DE equal to X meters. Now, how much is BD? BD equals to 4 into 1.2, which is equals to 4.8. BD equals to 4.8 meters. BD is equals to 4.8 meters. Okay, so ये 4.8 meters हो गया, ये X हो गया. Now we are going to consider two triangles. We are going to this height is given. This is 90 centimeters, which I can say 0.9 meters, because everything else is in meters. So girl ka height will also come in meters. Okay. Now look at the two triangles ABE and CDE. ABE and CDE. This angle is going to be common for both of them. ABE, angle E, and CDE, angle E. So angle E is common to both of them. Angle E is common to both of them. And B and D, each of them will be 90 degrees. Each of them will be 90 degrees. Okay? Because they're standing vertical to the ground, lamp post and it. ऐसा तो नहीं कि लैम्प पोस्ट ऐसे झुका हुआ है और गर्ल ऐसे होके चल रही है, नहीं. It is assumed that both of them are perpendicular to the ground. So this is 90, this is 90, and this is common to both of them. This is common to both of them. Okay, so the two triangles become similar. So that is what we are going to write down. Please copy. Okay, so we say in triangle ABE and triangle CDE, angle B is equal to angle D. Why? Each is 90 degrees. And angle E is equal to angle E. That is a common angle. Therefore, the two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. Therefore, AB upon CD equals to DE upon DE, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, AB we know is 3.6. CD 90 centimeters, which is 0.9. BE, the full thing, that is 4.8 plus X, and DE is just X. We've just substituted the values. Okay, so bring this X this side, bring this 0.9 this side. When you multiply, what do we get? Or rather, I can divide this. 0.9 ones are, 0.9 fours are. Okay, and bring this X this side. So I'll get 4X equals to 4.8 plus X. 4X equals to 4.8 plus X. Okay, so 4X minus X. 4X minus X equals to 4.8. 3X equals to 4.8. X equals to 4.8 upon 3. X equals to 1.6 meters. x equals to 1.6 meters. So the shadow of the girl after walking for 4 seconds is 1.6 meters long. Shadow of the girl after walking 4 seconds is 1.6 meters long. Copy this, please. Finished with this, then let me know. Don't copy this diagram. This is for Ihan. She had that doubt or confusion. Once she comes in, I'll explain it to her. Okay. Kihan, this was the sum that we did yesterday, where I think you had confusion. पहले ये complete कर लो. I'll just draw that. तब तक आप लोग ये complete कर लो. If you have finished this, please let me know. Okay. So you'll have done with this. Kihan, you had a problem with this sum. Let's understand now where the confusion was. Okay. See, AB is 3.8. AB is 3.8. BC is 6. Now I can see over here, ये 6 है, ये 12 है. तो ये इसका डबल क्लियरली दिख रहा है मुझे. And 3.8 का डबल 7.6. 3.8 का डबल 7.6. और 3√3 का डबल 6√3. Am I clear with that? 6 का डबल 12. 3√3 का डबल 6√3. 3.8 का डबल 7.6. So once I know that, all I'm saying is we have to write it now. So how do I write it? I say AB upon RQ equals to 3.8 upon 7.6, which is 1 upon 2. Similarly, BC upon QP. Okay, BC upon QP. Now you'll say, sir, QP क्यों लिया है? That can be the confusion. See, B के नीचे यहाँ पर हमने Q दिया था. A, B, R, Q. So this is QP. It is moving in this direction. So QP is again 6 upon 12, which is 1 upon 2. Okay, that is also 1 upon 2. And the third side that is there, that is AC. AC upon RP is 3√3 upon 6√3, which is also 1 upon 2. Till here, are we clear? Kihan? Till here, any doubts? If this is clear, then we'll proceed further. Till here, Kihan? Kihan is gone. Okay, she's back. So are we clear, Kihan, till here? Okay. So if this is clear that each of them is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. That means I am saying AB upon RQ equals to BC upon QP equals to AC upon RP. Okay, Kihan, are we clear with this? So the two triangles are similar by SSS test. The sides are in proportion. Therefore, the triangles are similar by SSS test. Are we clear till here? Till here, are we clear, Kihan? If you're clear till here, then I'll proceed further. Now, since these sides are equal, the triangles become similar. The triangles become similar by what? By AAA test. The triangles are similar by, sorry, SSS test, because the sides are in proportion. So I say ABC, triangle ABC, similar to triangle RQP. Is it clear? AB is RQ and C obviously has to be P. So R ABC similar to RQP. ABC similar to triangle RQP. So if that is the case, therefore angle C is equals to angle P. और यहाँ पर ये दिया है 60 और 80. So the third angle has to be 40. So this also has to be 40. Is that clear? Here we get in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. Angle A is 80 plus 60 plus angle C equals to 180. Angle C equals to 180 minus 140. Angle C equals to 40. And we know angle C and angle P are equal. Therefore, angle P equals to angle C equals to 40 degrees. Clear now, Kihan? This is how we had got angle P equals to 40 degrees. Okay, sure. Now let's try and finish. There's one sum left. I hope we can finish that. Then we are going to see areas of similar triangle that we will see hopefully tomorrow. आज पहले ये complete करते हैं. Let's see. There's one more example that is left. And of course, as I had told you कि एक्सरसाइज के कुछ सम्स कल करने के लिए बोला था, बची हुई एक्सरसाइज तो आज पूरी करनी ही पड़ेगी आपको. You all will not have a choice now. So let's see now what is this. Draw the diagram. And write down. In the figure, I'll also write down over here, you all can copy. Three things we have to prove in this. AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Second, we have to prove CM upon RN equals to AB upon PQ. And third thing that we have to prove is triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. ये तीन चीजें अपने को प्रूव करनी है इसमें. First copy this and I'll show you how to prove this. Not very difficult. Okay. They've given us the bigger triangles are similar. ABC and PQR are similar. That is what is given to us. This is going to be a little lengthier. Please start writing parallelly so that things become easier. Okay. So, solution. What does it say? It says triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the given information. ABC is similar to PQR. Therefore, AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. Okay. Also, angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. Okay. Now, AB is 2 times AM because it is given. It is given CM is the median. Median means it divides the side into 2 equal parts. So we know AB equals to 2 times AM. Similarly here, PQ equals to 2 times PN as CM and RN are medians. As CM and RN are medians. Okay. First of all, sorry, call this equation number 1, call this equation number 2. Okay. Till here we are clear. Then, so from here, now in place of AB I can write 2 AM and in place of PQ I can write 2 PN. Therefore, 2 AM upon 2 PN equals to CA, that is this, AC or CA equals to AC upon PR equals to from 1. Sorry. Okay. So we have AM upon PN equals to AC upon PR. Call this equation number 3. Call this equation number 3. Now angle MAC, that is this angle, okay, that is angle A, is equals to angle NPR is equal to angle NPR because that is given to us. Angle A and angle P are equal. Angle MAC is equals to angle NPR. This is from 2. Call this equation number 4. Call this equation number 4. Okay. 2. Call it equation number 4. So if you have this, now from this the sides are in proportion and this. So from this you can safely say from 3 and 4. See, AM upon PN, this, and AC upon PR, that is this, and this angle between them. Therefore, triangle AMC, that is what we have to prove over here, similar to triangle PNR. R by SAS. By SAS, call this 5. From by SAS, call this 5. Okay. So if the triangles are similar, again I can say CM upon Rn, CM upon Rn equals to AC upon PR. CM upon, call this 6. So CM upon Rn equals to AC upon PR. Okay, but AC upon PR equals to AB upon PQ equals to AB upon PQ. Okay, this is from 1. AC upon PR is AB upon PQ. So I'll call this 7. I'll call this 7. So now in place of AC upon PR, I can write AB upon PQ. I can write AB upon, therefore CM upon Rn equals to AB upon PQ equals to AB upon PQ. Call this 8. Copy till here. Now I'm going to use this space because वो आगे चाहिए अपने को. Okay, so CM upon Rn equals to AB upon PQ. That is, okay, and that is what you have to prove. CM upon Rn equals to AB upon PQ. Now let's look for the third one. Third one is CMB and RNQ. Again, AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. From 1, call this, leave it as it is. Okay. Therefore, CM upon Rn equals to BC upon